Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. Today's project idea is to use HTV on a towel to decorate for Valentine's Day. The towel that I'm using today is 100% cotton, but it has a bit of a bumpy texture, so I will be using some of Cricut's Strong Bond Glitter Iron-On, also known as Glitter HTV. If you haven't used HTV before, there are two different sides. The shiny side is the carrier sheet, and the more matte side is the vinyl. Make sure you put the shiny side down on the mat and mirror your image before you cut out your design. I have my heat press mat here, and I'll just put the towel on the mat. I'll place the design into the right spot, and then stick it on using my Easy Press 2. For 100% cotton towels like this one, you'll need to set your press at 330 degrees for 30 seconds. Flip it over and do the back for an extra 15 seconds as well. If you aren't sure what setting you should be using for a specific material, you can go onto Cricut website and refer to their heat guide for recommendations. I'll just need to wait a minute and make sure it's cool to the touch, then pull off the transfer sheet. This project is done and ready for Valentine's Day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.